Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add a widget, a useful widget into your home screen. So the first thing you have to do, open your iPhone, and now you just need to stay in the home screen, and after that you just need to go click in the blank space on your home screen and hold it until all of the applications start to be shaking. And now you just need to go click this plus button, and I would suggest you to have this widget into your home screen because it's really useful for you. Go click this smart stock and go click add widget. Place it into the specific position that you want to have. Go click done. And now this is what I called as very useful widget, because you can like scrolling several options into this one widget. You got a lot of access in for it. So that's the way, guys, how to add a useful widget into your home screen. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.